It's hard to be a home buyer in the Bay Area given how expensive the housing market is. Many first-time home buyers are struggling to save up to 20% down payment. Use my city, San Jose, as an example. The median home sold price is $1.28 million based on last 12 months sales data. A 20% down payment of that is about $256,000 in cash. That's a lot to save up to. California Housing Finance Agency-CalHFA, a government agency, just recently announced that they have released a brand new down payment assistance program, giving home buyers up to 10% of the purchase price. That 10% is forgivable at 0% interest rate. You don't need to pay it back as long as you meet their requirements. Sounds pretty good, huh? Hi, I'm Ava, a local realtor here in San Jose, California. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the program, how that works, who qualifies, what kind of house you can buy in San Jose using the program. Now, before we get started, if you are thinking about buying a home in the Bay Area, California this year, I would love to get in touch with you. You can check out the link below to book a free one-on-one consultation with me. California Housing Finance Agency is an agency that offers some of these down payment assistance programs and gets lenders approved with them to offer these loans. The agency created this program specifically targeting low-income borrowers with income at 80% AMI, average median income. All that's for an area in which they are buying. For home buyers at this income level, it can be very tough to get a mortgage, so the government wanted to help. In a high level, this program works like this. Once you are qualified, the government will give you 10% of the purchase price. You can use it for down payment or for closing fees. And it forgives over a 5-year period at 20% per year, as long as the borrower continues to live in the property. Alright, let's start with who is eligible for this program. There are 4 requirements and you have to meet all of them. Requirement number 1, be a first-time home buyer. A first-time home buyer is someone who has not owned and occupies their own home in the last 3 years. That means if you have never owned a home, you are a first-time home buyer. Also, if you owned your home 3 or more years ago but sold it, you are right back to being a first-time home buyer again, but still qualified for this requirement. Requirement number 2, occupy the property as a primary residence, and you need to live in the property for 5 years to have the 10% down payments fully forgiven. Buyers cannot use this program to buy a property and rent it out. Anyone buying a home must move in the property as their primary residence within 60 days of closing. This gives the buyer some time to fix up the home if they need to. Also, your co-borrower needs to be occupying the property and a first-time home buyer too. Requirement number 3, the borrowers must complete home buyer education class and get the certificate of completion. You can take either online for $99 or in person. The fees may vary. For more details, please check the description of the video. Requirement number 4, meet county income limits set by Fannie Mae. Your household maximum income has to be less than or equal to Fannie Mae's 80% AMI, average median income. For example, the AMI for zip code 95125, Willow Glen, one of the most popular zip codes in San Jose, is at $119,000. Now we know the requirements. If you think you may be qualified and wanted to apply for the program, you need to reach out to the loan officer appointed by CalHFA for your county. The link is also included in the description. Let's see how much of a home we can get. We are using the same zip code 95125 Willow Glen we used earlier to see what we can buy. The 80% AMI is $119,000. Using California Housing Finance Agency borrowing guidance, a maximum debt to income ratio DTI of 45% means my payment is at maximum of $4,460 per month, and basically no other debts than that in order to qualify. No student loan, no car payments, no credit card payments. Now, as of today, the interest rate for a 30-year conventional fixed loan is at 5.25. Not too bad. Let's do some math and see how much of a home we can buy. At a 5.25% interest rate, 20% down payment, $4,460 monthly payment. That included tax, insurance, HOA if you buy a condo or townhouse. The maximum purchase price is $853,000. Most of the homes in this area are single-family homes, and they are pricey. Only one active listing available for under $853,000. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 865 square feet condo offered at $649,888. Well, not that many options for this price range in this neighborhood. If we look at San Jose, for this price, there are 6 single-family homes listed under this price, and 143 townhouses and condos. So most likely you can buy a townhouse or condo in San Jose for this price range. For a single-family home, this price may be hard. I think the free 10% down payment program going to provide some help to a lot of families. However, the income requirement of an 80% Fannie Mae AMI going to limit a lot of options for many families. The reality is that the Bay Area just don't have enough affordable homes that meet the guidance of the program, as we have seen from the data before. To conclude, this is a good program and it can potentially help a lot of families. Maybe combined with the market shift as we are seeing now, we have more stabilized inventory and less competition. Maybe more families can afford a home with the 10% down payment help. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is also below. Thanks for watching.